Welcome to today's class when we will look at the atmospheric processes which refer to various physical, chemical, and chemical phenomena that occur on the Earth's atmosphere, shaping its composition and influencing weather and climate. They include the solar radiation, absorption and reflection, greenhouse effect, atmospheric pressure, wind patterns, humidity, cloud formation, and precipitation. Let us look at the composition of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases, which is nitrogen, which is 78%, which is crucial for life and plays a role in various atmospheric processes. Oxygen, which is 21%, and it is essential for respiration, supporting life on Earth. And other gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, and water vapor. Let us look at air pressure, which is the force extended by the weight of the air. Factors affecting air pressure, it is the altitude and temperature. Altitude, atmospheric pressure decreases with increasing altitude. As you go high in the atmosphere, there are fewer air molecules above, resulting in lower pressure. Warmer air in temperature is less dense and exerts lower pressure. Let us look at temperature, which is a measure of average kinetic energy. Factors affecting temperature is the solar radiation, latitude, altitude, and ocean currents. The sum of the amount of solar radiation at different locations influence temperature. At altitude, at the angle strikes the Earth's surface with altitude affecting temperature. Relationship between air pressure and temperature. Warm air is associated with lower pressure and cold air is associated with higher pressure. This relationship is direct to the ideal gas law. As air is heated, its molecules move faster, leading to the increased kinetic energy. Its molecules are more slow and decreased kinetic energy. Humidity and temperature. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Influence of temperature on humidity. Warmer air has a higher capacity to hold water vapor. As temperature increases, the air's ability to retain water vapor. Relationship between humidity and temperature. It is described as the relative humidity which is the percentage of moisture air combined to the maximum amount the air could hold at a certain temperature. Low relative humidity indicates that the air has the capacity to hold more moisture. Low humidity levels are often associated with drier conditions. Let us look at the cloud formation. Cloud is formed when air is lifted up and where water vapor goes up and forms, and when it becomes high, it forms clouds. Precipitation, it's the rain, and there are types of precipitation, which is the rain, snow, sleet, hail. It involves cloud particles when they grow large to overcome air resistance and gravity falling to the Earth's surfaces. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Factors influencing precipitation and cloud formation, it's the humidity, which is the amount of water vapor. When it becomes saturated with moisture, further increases in humidity can lead to condensation or cloud formation and eventually precipitation. There is also temperature, which is the dew point, at which temperature becomes saturated with moisture and condensation begins, is known as the dew point. Then there is the wind patterns, where there is the convergence. When air comes together at the surface, it is forced to rise, potentially leading to cloud formation and precipitation. And there is the divergence, where upper regional divergence can promote upward motion and contribute to the development of clouds and precipitation. That's the end of our lesson. Today we have looked at the atmospheric processes, the relationship of air pressure and temperature, factors influencing precipitation and cloud formation. We have looked at cloud formation, precipitation, what is precipitation, the types of precipitation. We have looked at the composition of the atmosphere with the as nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. We have looked at air pressure and temperature and the factors affecting air pressure and factors affecting temperature, relationship between air pressure and temperature, and the humidity and temperature and influence of temperature on humidity. And we have concluded with them. We have concluded there. Let us